Today, I hope to build an indoor shower in my van. It's gonna go right about in here. So stay tuned and watch me fumble. So hi, I am Michelle. Welcome to Miles to Myself. I have this shower curtain here that I bought on Amazon some time ago that I was gonna use in another way as an outside shower, but I decided that I'm gonna try and do an inside shower. So as you can see, I have straps in four corners. This is a shower that goes onto a boat on a bimini top. So I am gonna measure out, because I do have a tape measure, and I just bought some D-rings. I bought a black bucket. I bought some paracord, and I already have a motorized or rechargeable shower head because I don't have a water pump in my van. So I'm gonna first measure the distance between these and kind of mark out with a pencil where I want this shower curtain to go. And then I'll show you the next step. So I bought these D-rings. They probably aren't going to be wide enough to accommodate my strap. So I bought some paracord just to loop through the straps in case it won't work the way that I think it should work. So I'm going to put these D-rings up first two, get my straps situated, and then put the next loop. See, what is convenient is my fan is right there. So if I have the shower on, and I have a heater down below right on the ground there, so showering is going to be really cool. The black bucket will come into play when I fill that with water, put it out into the sun, and warm up that water. So this is going to be a very simple setup. Stay tuned. Okay, this will not work. So you can see that this strap is much wider than the D-ring that I bought. Now, I could have bought heavier duty D-rings. They were so expensive and they didn't come with screws. And I'm just hanging a piece of shower curtain. I don't need it to be, heavy duty. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and cut some of this paracord and make a loop. So stick with me. We're going to make this work somehow. Here's what I have so far. These straps I'm probably going to cut off because I took a piece of that paracord. I hope you can see that okay. And I looped it around and I just tied a knot. I had to burn the ends after I cut them. But that's the one side. Here's the other side. Now I'm going to continue on. Now there's my fan. I'm going to continue on and I'm going to make two more D cords, two more D rings, and see where I go from there. This seems like it's going to work. Stay tuned. Okay, everything is hung up now. Now remember, this is temporary. This is not going to stay up there the whole time. And down below here, I have a little doggy pool. I can try and find the link to that as well. And what happens is this shower curtain, let's see if my fingers will allow me to do this. This shower curtain is going to go on the inside of this doggy pool. I'll have my black bucket, which I only found this big black bucket, this 5-gallon. And I wanted something a little bit smaller. But what will happen is I will fill that with some water, probably 3 to 5 gallons, and put it out in the sun. As you can see, it is bright and sunny out there today. Sharpie is soaking in the rays. And I have the shower head that is rechargeable because I don't have a pump inside my van. So, got a little bit of water out there. So I will put the hose that comes with that shower head, and I'll put a link to that below too, into the bucket after the water is warm, hook it up, and I'll be able to shower right in here. Now, I can close the door, and I don't really need to have a shower curtain except to keep the water off of everything. So let me see if I can open up this shower curtain and show you how that works. So you can see this shower curtain does not open the whole way. It has a stopper at the bottom and a stopper at the top. So you just have it open here and you step inside. And that is your shower. And I think I'm gonna enjoy this, having a shower in the van now. So stay tuned. I'll let you know how it works out after my first try.